జాతీయవాద జర్నలిజానికి అసలైన వేదిక నేషనలిస్ట్ హబ్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయండి.
నితిన్ గారు, సో ఫెసిలిటీస్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి, ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఆర్ సో గుడ్, ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా బాగుంది మీరు చెప్తున్న దాన్ని బట్టి. సో మేబీ ఫీజ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా ఎక్కువగానే ఉంటుంది అనుకోండి, ఇట్ మే బీ హై. సో దేర్ చాలామంది ఉంటారు, ఫినాన్షియల్లీ దే ఆర్ టాలెంటెడ్, దే ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్, బట్ ఫినాన్షియల్లీ దే మే బీ పూర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈజ్ దర్ ఎనీ పాసిబిలిటీ to help them?
Yeah, sure, 100%. Coming to the fees, like I'll just give you a rough idea. Like our fees is not very high also, but like general fees is not very low also. For example, for intermediate, like first year classes or first year or second year classes, for hostel students our fees is roughly like maximum fees is around 250, 2,50,000 per year, including everything. It is not the fees actually; it is includes everything.
Okay.
That like it is not only like everything is not coming to the modulus. Because I told like our hostels also have is air conditioned hostels. Like we are giving air conditioned hostel, air conditioned classrooms. Already faculties are IITians, so obviously
food, accommodation, everything.
Food and everything, we are trying to give the best possible facilities.
Okay.
So that like we understand students are coming from like 250-300 kilometers away in hostel. So just they should focus on their academics. They should not have any problem regarding food. Food should be healthy, hygienic, tasty, so that they should not feel like I'm not able to study because of like bad food or something. So it should be like they should not worry about anything at all. So yes, I understand like if we have to maintain it, and considering Modulus as a new organization, we have to maintain each and everything. So yeah, fees is not very high, but as I told, maximum is 250, and we are giving to everyone. Let us forget about financially weak student. We are asking them to write the scholarship test, Modulus admission test.
Okay.
According to that, their final fees will be decided as per their performance.
Okay.
If suppose any financially weak student or like very poor student is coming but doing good in this scholarship test, we give them, even we have given student free of cost education. Like we don't even charge a single rupees from them for us. So that also we are doing. So if student is like ready to prove himself and like want to study from IITians, we are giving that facility also.
Great.
But as I tell, we can't do it for everyone. We need
It's
to
not
maintain.
possible. It is not possible.
We need to maintain everything and so many things. And obviously, if we have to give good service, it should be maintained properly for it to continue like live longer. If otherwise, like we will be getting problem after 1 to 2 years,
Obviously,
right?
obviously.
So everything we calculate, but one thing.
2 to 3 people per year, is it possible? I mean,
More than that.
More than
It will be like around I think 5 to 10% students. If you say 300 sir is telling, so it will be like 15 to 20 students are getting free education in that, or maybe like some 20-30,000 fees, not completely free, very less fees. So that is what we are doing.
nominal fees.
Nominal fees, like even like below nominal. And
Below.
second thing is like one thing like which I can promise, like considering our team and like our like ethics as a teacher, whoever comes to Modulus, if the student is working hard, he will, whatever fees he is paying, let us say he is paying 0 or he is paying 250, he will not feel my money is wasted. That promise I can give. Like if he is approaching to teacher, they will not feel like this, they will not go sad, or they will not go like discouraged that my teacher is not helping me, or like Nitin sir is not talking to me, like I told to him about food and all that. That promise we are giving to each and every student. So 100% whoever is coming to Modulus and ready to work hard will not be discouraged and will not be like demotivated. He'll be like, we want student to remember Modulus as a part for their success, like as a part of their success.
Great, great.